This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it is July 31st, 2019. So here I got a call for a small little business with no AC. I guess I worked on this lady's house. She wants me to go over there. So I usually don't like working on rooftop units. I asked her if it was. She said no, it's in the back of the building. So I'd rather not work on the rooftops. I don't like getting the ladder off the roof, to be honest with you. So as long as it's a conventional system, I'll go give it to you, check it out. Me and Miss Molly are working again, yo. Oh yes, you're next level. You next level. Yeah, you're next level. Yeah, so we'll try to get you some shots over there when I get over there. I asked her how long has it been since you changed the filter. She doesn't even know. What do you mean? What's a filter, she says. So, it could be that. Who knows? We'll try to get you some shots if it's something interesting. Compressor's not running, I don't think. Yeah, it don't sound like the compressor's running. Probably a capacitor. Now what about the filter inside?
Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you, my boss doesn't do anything.
He doesn't?
No, I'm not gonna lie to you. Last year he bought air from someplace, oh not last year, about 3 years ago, and put it in himself. He's one of those,
He put the air conditioner in him, he put it in himself.
He thinks I know better. So this is honestly, nothing's ever been worked on for a couple of years, honestly. I'll go get the rest of it.
80-5, don't look puffed. No. We'll have to see. Should be that blue one. See if it's either off on thermal overload, maybe. Look at the snots on that thing. Yeehaw.
I got two. And this is it. Awesome. So I don't know. We don't have anything here except one.
Capacitor's dead.
So that would just be one.
80-5. I don't know if I.
Where's Eric?
80-5. One in the truck. Yeah, that's my Miss Molly. I should have an 80-5 in here, I think. Big unit. There we go. 80-5. That's the one we need. Not a common one, but I do stock them in the truck. I think I only got one. We'll have to get more of them. There we go. So we got the new one in there. She says that this pipe ices all the time, so that means, see how it's rocking? We'll see. The fan was working, so let's...
He told me that about 3 years ago. He bought a brand new compressor, that one there. And he did have someone install it. I must have not been here at that. I've been here for 6.5 years, but it must have been off that day. It's supposed to have a 5-year warranty.
Well, it ain't warranted under me.
No. But if you could, if you know the model number or serial number, show me where to take it, I could take a picture after.
Well, the capacitor's no good. That's not under warranty. It's...
Oh, a capacitor is not a compressor.
No.
Capacitor.
That's what this is bad. That's why it's not running.
A capacitor. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna leave that for you, but that's... I just put a new one in. We'll see if it starts. Let's check the filter inside.
Oh, yeah, you should. You want to bring her in? You can bring her in.
She's okay, ma'am. I just had all the windows open on the way here, so it's cool in the truck right now.
It's literally, Lucarelli, who's not here anymore, used to have his dog that sometimes would run through my my place. But if you wanted to,
Let's check the filter inside,
okay.
and then we'll see if this thing will start.
So this is a capacitor. What's it called again? This unit, the circle thing that's broken.
It's a capacitor. We'll see if it starts right now. I'll check it.
Okay, capacitor.
I can't because it does has a cover on it. We should check them filters inside.
Oh yeah, no. I wouldn't even know where to even find one.
So you say it ices up all the time, huh?
On that bar, with that we put that fuzzy stuff around it to protect it. But it only happens like on a day that's damp out, like a day that's cloudy but warm, but not warm like this obviously.
So it's got did he change the inside unit or just the outside unit? Probably got a 22 system inside running 410A, I bet. No, this is an R22. This is an R22 system. It says it right on it, R22. Charged R22. Oh, an R22. This looks like this might be a little 3-ton unit. Let's go check the filter inside, then we'll run it and we'll check the charge. Does he have a garden hose here?
No.
Well, it's not crazy dirty, but look at that for a filter.
Is
No
this,
garden hose?
No, but is this something I could take home and then spray it and then
Bring it back, yeah.
tomorrow?
But you have to make sure you take the door off, right? Shut the unit off.
Oh.
Wash this. You don't have a garden hose? You don't have
No,
a
but I
place
can
to...
wash it in a sink. I got a good sink in the kitchen, like a big deep one.
Alright, here, go wash that and we'll
sure.
put it back in.
All right, let me see what I can do. All
Not the greatest setup, but it is what it is. Get it working. This is a carrier unit.
Thank you.
Yeah, wash that good and then we'll get it up and running. Carrier unit. It's probably low on dinosaur juice too, I bet you. Look at this flipping rocks in it. Fucking look at that. In the cellar. Ain't that a bitch? Right in the middle of the floor. Unbelievable. Right in the middle of the floor. Somebody's a cheap bugger. Never seen that before. Guy looks like he's a camel slapper. Hopefully he pays me. Yeah, don't look crazy, filthy, dirty, but I'll give it a clean and throw it back in and fire it up. I don't know if we got a TXV on this thing or what it is. Yeah, it's probably a TXV. Yeah, it's a TXV on this thing. It's a 5-ton unit. Holy shit. Oh shit. I don't know. I don't think that's a 5-ton unit outside. We got that washable filter in there for now. What a shit show. What a shit show. Alright, I'm curious how this thing's gonna run outside. We're low on gas, I guarantee it. We'll check it. Cooling. 67, hold. Yeah, okay, it's gonna run now. Yeah, so we're on, it's just off on delay. Give it a minute. Alright, she just kicked in. She just kicked in now. We'll go check it outside. It was off on delay. Put my gauges on it. Oh, she's low on Freon, man. She's really low. that superheat. Yeehaw! Let it run for a bit, but see how that's 50? That's too low. Gotta give it some dinosaur juice. Gotta give it some dinosaur juice. It's definitely R22. I've seen it on here. Right there, R22. It is a 5-ton. Oh, it's R22, so you can put it in as a gas. I think it's a TXV inside. Sure look like one. Saying 12, 13 on the subcooling. TXV subcooling 10, should be 10. We'll get it to about 10 and we'll shut it off and see what's happening with it. Don't want to overshoot it either. Might have a bad TXV there, I'm giving a little bit more gas. Do the best you can with this junk you got to work with. I mean, sometimes you can't do miracles with this shit. Oh yeah. I had to put Freon in. It's low on Freon, so yeah, it's not supposed to ice up like that. So we're getting some in there, and we'll set it, and it's gonna cool good now.
So that's what you did with that little box there.
Well, that day you gotta set the superheat and subcooling. This was at 42. And it should be above 60. See, we're above 60 there now.
Yep.
63. You were at 43. I mean, that's really low.
That's why it was
Look, I'll show you why. This is R22, right? 42 degrees. 42 degrees is that's at 44. Say 21 degrees. That's below freezing. That's why it ices. See, now at 63, right? 63, we're going to be at 35.
Oh, I get you.
36, so it won't freeze because it's above freezing. But if this is at 20 degrees, this will turn to ice because it's cold.
Yeah, that's
So we gotta bring that. See how that's still high? See that 37? I'm trying to get that to come down a little bit. It's definitely low. It's gonna leak something.
Oh, it hasn't.
Well, it shouldn't be leaking out. I could put Freon in it, but
Oh.
to get.
Well, now we got you.
This guy's gonna pay me.
Yes. Yep, you're ready.
All right, let me do my thing. Once I get it set, we'll.
Yeah, this is his business. No. I don't know if it's
Well, as long as he pays me.
No.
I don't have a lot of work with these guys from India.
No.
I know.
He can be tough, but not with this is business. You know, you have to have AC in his office.
Well, I've had a lot of.
I kept sweating like it was going on. It was crazy.
Well, that's because the compressor, it wasn't running.
No.
But it's not supposed to ice when it's running either, so you got more than one issue. I changed the capacitor, got it running, but now I got to put the Freon levels where it needs to be so it'll cool properly. I'm doing the best I can with what I got to work with here. Kind of a shit show, you know?
Like my house, right?
I got yours running, right?
No, yeah, yours. Please, not my
TXV's against that flipping wall over there. Can't even get to it. Well, this shit show. You can't even get to the TXV. I have to pull the coil out. I don't even know if it's a TXV or a piston. Might be a piston in there. I don't know. Alright guys, I got that coil in backwards down there, and I can't even get to the TXV without pulling that coil out. I got a bad TXV there. I'm not doing that today. They got that coil going this way. The A coil is supposed to go in this way. You should be able to see the end. They put it in the wrong way. So that's going to be the best it's going to get today. I'll have to come back, and when I get some time, I'll have to pull the gas out of it and spin that coil around. What a bitch. I'll pull the coil out to get to the TXV. Not good. At least it'll cool like that. But it's not right. That's the best this shit show's gonna get today.